Welcome back to Picket Built. Let's get right back to work where we left off in the last episode. Just a note to video that this is the left side rotor here. See that little L, so I can look back, make sure I got this right on the video. Alright, I taped all this up, probably overkill, but I put a little cup tape system. That way all the metal shavings don't get all over everything. Alright, on both sides, so let's get started on drilling this backside. Alright, there's one side done, and we can see that that tape did a great job of catching all those metal shavings. Alright, let's get the other side done. Alright, there's the raw cut. We need to clean that up. Let's get the other side done as well. And the other side. Alright, so taking a closer look here, I'm just trying to test fit that just to see if there's room to access those camber adjustments. So it looks like we need to trim it out just a little bit more. Alright, so here's the view from above. Looks like we have clearance to get to those camber adjustments. Alright guys, these are the old bearings, but they're still intact. Alright, you can even read Japan on there. But as I'm pressing these out on my palm here, you can see the old grease pressing out, and I'm just trying to wipe off and get rid of all the old grease and get some new grease in all these bearings and repack them into these front hubs. Alright, so if you look there real close, you can see all that old kind of black grease coming out, and I'm going to try to wipe that off. I continue to wipe that off, and I'm going to keep packing this new grease till we get all that old out of there. Alright, one thing to note, We are putting new rubber seals on here. Alright, make sure the kind of the open part goes into the hub down.